siya. I recommend kasi malinamnam siya at malasa. I recommend gardenia for good.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Guys,
I'm so happy.
We recommend. We recommend.
video to.
Trespassing ah.
Ay, may tao na. Ay, di gago ng bilang kami.
Ama, ano masabi mo, ma'am?
Fresh milk.
I really recommend gardenia because of the nutrition facts. Because it has 5 grams protein, 5 sugar, and intake of dietary fiber.
Video talaga to, be.
31 grams.
masarap.
Carbohydrate.
Ano yan, ma'am? Mama, rate mo, ma'am.
Hey guys, what's up? Papa G here, your vlogger of Gardenia Factory. Papa G here. I'm here to inform you that I'm vlogging about this factory because I really recommend their bread because it's so very yummy and nutritious. And we love this, and we get this, and we need this.
Salamat po.
So, ayan guys. This is Celso. Nakarami na po si Celso.
Yes
Hindi pa po, hindi pa po.
Bawal po yan.
Nakapila siya ulit to.
Ilan mo na yan,
Anong masasabi mo? Ay, masarap. Masarap ba gagawin?
Di man masarap?